Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to edit the primary menu in WordPress. So let's begin. So here, this is my WordPress website, and if I scroll down to the bottom, you'll be able to see this is the menu of my website. So this whole section is the menu of my website. Now if I want to edit this menu, all I have to do is hover over customize and then find menu from here. So I'm going to click on customize right over here. So after pressing customize, I will be able to see menu right over here. So as you can see, this is the menus. Now if I go to menus, then I will be able to see that this menu is currently set to footer. So here is my footer, and this menu is set to footer right over here. So I will go to test menu, and as you can see, here are all the contents that are added to my menu. Now from here, if I click reorder, then I will be able to swap these pages. So let's set contact us page on the bottom, and let's remove this sample page. So if I click here, well, it's not being removed, it's just being subcategoried with contact us page. So from this option, I'm not able to remove anything from my menu bar. So I'm also going to show you how to remove, but let's press done here, and then after clicking done, I'm going to click publish and show you how it actually looks like right now. So it's published, and now I'm going to close this window. Now let's see if our contact us page has switched its position. So if I go to the bottom, I'll be able to see that my contact us page has gone behind, and here the sample page is a kind of subcategory to contact us page. Now I'll go to my WordPress dashboard, and then I will edit my menu from dashboard. So after I'm in the dashboard section, I'm going to hover over appearance, and then I'm going to go to menus over here. So as you can see here, I'm in the menus section, and here are all the pages right over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on bulk select, and I'm going to select this page. I'm going to select remove selected item, and as you can see now I have removed an item. So I'm going to click bulk select again. I'm going to click test page and remove this one too. So I have removed 2 items from my menu, and now I'm going to click on save menu. So now 2 of the items should be removed from my page. So I'm going to now go visit site. Now let's scroll down to the bottom and see what happens to my menu. So as you can see in my menu now, I only have 2 items. So guys, that is how you can simply edit the primary menu in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.